Hey guys, so this time we're
Hello.
flying with Asiana
Three. One,
Airlines,
two, three.
the Airbus
19.
A350
Go.
from New York all the way to Incheon, Seoul.
Yeah.
It's a pretty long flight, just over 16 hours, and the aircraft itself looks really new and modern. Alright, it's gonna be a very nice journey.
Hi. Sunka tam passage? Hello.
Plenty of basically places, rooms for
Korean
luggages.
Airlines.
That's very nice. And it was really comfortable. Seats were unbelievably comfortable. Moves all over the back, and
You get this one.
many things were provided.
You get some of this. A lot of sleepers. Oh, very good. Headphones, blanket, pillow. Boom boom, so good. So we are having our first lunch on a long flight of Asiana. Very nice flight. Because normally they don't give you like real, let's say, real fork and knife, which is good. And oh wow, you see it falls, just be careful. And I'm gonna tell you how it feels. Oh wow, it's a bit not so tender, but this is big. Wow, it's good. Serving steak. Let's see this one.
So we were served with hot meal twice. There were some sandwiches as well. Although the sandwich was with pork, which is not so good for halal or kosher eaters. Basically, that could be actually changed to chicken. The first meal was like beef, and that was actually really good.
I have orange juice and pineapple. And here, let's see, what is it? Some kind of salad. So it's pretty good. Lemon and salad is good. And potato, let's see the potato. Oh, grilled potato is so good. No good.
I actually like eating a lot. So on some airlines like Turkish or Emirates, you can sometimes ask for a second meal. But Asiana is very strict, one serving only, no seconds. So in that sense, they could improve. Drinks, on the other hand, were served regularly, and you could ask for them anytime, which was nice. Yeah. The second meal was like chicken or pork, and I basically definitely chose chicken. It wasn't that the best as comparatively to beef. It wasn't like my favorite, but still good, still good. At least there was a chicken. And entertainment, you can see here basically the system is nice with a good selection of movies. Honestly, not as many as we saw on other airlines or some other careers, but still enough to keep you busy, during such a long flight. For kids, there were not that much movies, and many movies were like in Korean, and they could improve and to broadcast in English because maybe they specialize mainly on for Koreans, but I feel like I saw a lot of foreigners who could basically not understand Korean language. Seats here is something to know. Many of the better seats are paid, so even if you see some empty spots, you can just move there, especially if you are with the kid. They'll ask you to return to your assigned place unless they arrange another free seat for you. On such a long flight though, having some extra space would really help, especially if your kid needs to sleep. Yeah. Nevertheless, overall, the flight was very comfortable. Asiana is definitely a nice airline, and the Airbus A350 is a beautiful aircraft. The only downside for me was that when we landed, my suitcase was damaged, and I'm still in the process of getting that sorted out. But hopefully they'll repair it.
What I like about this place is that dessert is good. And this is the salad. There is a potato with like sauce and mayo and everything. I add mine, and what I like is like you get like real spoon and real fork, a real knife, so it's not like plastic. Very convenient, The aircraft is pretty new. I am impressed by Asiana Airlines. In terms of food, so far it's gonna be good, I hope so.
Even with that, I would definitely fly with Asiana again if I get the chance. The plane was great, the service was decent, and it was a good experience overall. Really nice. Thank you to Asiana airline staff from ex-airline staff of Seoul Air. I love airline business, and it was incredible to enjoy the flight.
I think it's cheesecake. White cheese on top. Man, it's really good. What can I say? You simply have to drink it after that. Let's go.